The judges say they're ready. Let's get those motors going.
Kevin and Keegan, main event. Here we go.
Here we go. The flags are out. Hey, there's some really good stuff coming in. What do we got going on over here? Coming in back here. He's coming in hot. Number 88. We got four on the hill on the floor.
Better be hardest hit of the night right there.
This is the initial hit.
Woo! Hardest hit of the night right there.
We're good. We're checking it. We liking it, refs. We got some white flags up there. I'll tell you what. There was a new joke. How about that for number 66? Let's go. Woo! Popping out, we got bumpers flying out, we got blocks pushing out. We got some black flags in the air, but we still got some drivers in the driver's seat looking for the victory.
Yeah.
It's Chance, Kevin, and this guy.
Yeah.
All right, we got a couple more white flags. Hey, way to fight out there.
He can hit that guy. That has to be their hardest hit.
This guy. For one of commitment for one overall.
We're ready to get back into the action. We got the flags up. Ready to rock and roll. Let's roll, boys. Let's roll. Leading days of the fourth wall.
Here we go. Get him. Push him into the wall!
He wants that top drive right there. And number 66 going on. He is not giving up. That man is hard. He's got the fighting in the American spirit. Here we come. There goes Chance. They got a shot at that.
Oh no, his front tire's going flat.
It just popped on that guy's bumper.
You're sitting in a bad place, buddy. You got 5 minutes to get that thing going. You better get your line up.
That guy down there wants to flag it.
Here we go.
Those hits gonna nail it.
Big hit right
Yeah!
There you go. Oh, he's hung up! Hit him!
That's Chance Zabrowski. He gets back on the dirt, back on the flat. We got him coming in quick, coming in hot, 43 forward. Oh, he says, I'm out of here. I ain't done with these kids yet. They'll have to the fight. He ain't gonna take up for sitting down. That's right. Kevin's gonna come down here and make a fight.
Hey!
Go for it, go for it. the one they call Dr. Feel Good.
He's still never pulled his flag. Kevin got fourth. He hasn't been running. He should have been timed out. And they're out there working on Chance's car.
Trying to get the bumper off, probably.
Yeah. So he doesn't run it over. Woo!
We're looking good. All cleaned up. Thank you to the fire department for being on hand to help us have fun in the safest possible way. It ain't over yet. We got some last man standing. I'll tell you what.
Why is Todd talking shit to Keegan?
Still off over there, still in the fight with his car a little bit. Who else we got out there? We got Lane Bays, number 444. We got number 24.
There you go, baby.
What happened?
Each chance the boss will get more
upside down.
more.
No! Hi, girl.
Final three, here we go.
That's bullshit. He should be out and Kevin should be third. He should be timed out.
Oh, I see what's going on here. They're looking for each other now. Pushing back, he says, I ain't done. Where are you running from? Come back here. You may be big, but I'm going to put a hurting on you. Woo! A swing and a miss. It's a near miss. It's a duck and a weave. He's getting quick. Getting jiggy with it out there. Look out. Oh! What do we got? What do we got?
Uh-oh.
Oh no, radiator?
All right, we ain't done yet. We're going to line up. Chance is going to find an angle on this guy. Here's where that geometry comes in. And you don't need 4 tires to drive a car. Woo! Woo! There you go, there you go. Lane Bays putting the hammer down on Chance Brodowski. He's going to push him all the way to the edge. He's going to push him out of the ring. It's like a sumo wrestling match.
And that car is still straighter and fit. He can take that to tie.
What do we got? Hey, come on, boys. Who wants it most? Who wants to go home with the prize?
Bumper.
Who wants to go home with the prize? Wait, pause, pause, pause. We got a bumper on the ground. Woo! You guys like that? I like the lights out there. That's fun.
You got too hard out there. You got too hard.
Who's left in the fight?
I know that.
Keegan,
I got double good hands.
if you don't get hardest hit of the night for big cars, I'm going to throw hands with
We got 2
somebody.
cars left. We got flags up. We got drivers that want to win. They're in it to win it.
My
Let's
pregnant
go.
ass will fight somebody.
We're gonna put a hit down here on Chance Brodowski. Look at that big car take a hit. Yeah, gotta come into big car competition. He didn't start off with a hatchback, but that's all he's got left
It's like
now.
he's not using his front end at all.
Uh-oh. Is this the finishing touch, the
I
final
know.
throw? Brace yourself for impact. Here we go. Boom! I'll tell you what, you gotta be somewhat crazy, man.
There you go, Chance.
We ain't done yet. I can't believe this thing's still going. They ain't got no flag. Oh! Oh, no flag. There we go. Oh!
All right, there we go. Chance got second.
And the winner is